Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing the Saturday Stamping Group video. This week's theme is birds. Okay, so on my nails, this is the white is Basis Loaded Lacquer Shutout, and the green is China Glaze, and it is, what is it called? Cutie Mark the Spot, and it's from the Hello Pony, no, something Pony, I can't tell, something Pony. I can't remember, some kitties thing. Okay, so stamping plates I'm going to use. First one is BP-A07 Zoo Kingdom, and I want to do these pelicans, I guess. Yeah, pelicans. My brain's gone. It's late. And then I'm probably going to use this one, Born Pretty Tropical Punch L002. So I'm not sure. I want to do leaves and something else. So we'll get there. Okay, so on the white one. Now, this image is way too big for me. I mean, my middle finger is big, but it's not super big. So we're going to use my Moira Super Sizer Stamper. So this is the enlarging and shrinking stamping stamper. So, So I'm going to put it to the very top so it's up. And then put the image. Oh, stamper. I'm like, I had it a second ago. Okay, so now I'm just going to take it off, and then it shrinks it down. So now I'm going to get some tape, and I use this SheModern sticky stamping polish. That way I can kind of take my time a little bit so I don't have to panic. I'm taking this off because I want less to clean off my nails. Okay, so now it is a little warped to see where the image is, but for the most part I can see what I'm doing. So they're pretty centered, so it's not bad. So there. Okay. And you always pull the plunger down, and then I line it up and lock it in place. I don't keep it up because I don't want to damage the head. So I'm only going to use it for that one image. So so next thing I want to do, one sec. Okay, so I want to use these leaves, and I wanted to use one of my new, these are SheModern's shifting, or well, they're her stamping polish. These ones are all jellies, but she's got different colors. So she's got an emerald, solid vibrant emerald, aquatic emerald, diamond sparkle emerald, and a shifting golden. Okay, let's use Let's use this one. So that's a shifting. I've been trying to come up with ideas. It's like, okay, what can I do? So I'll go here, hold my plate down, and unfortunately I didn't get the one, but that's okay because, oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay, I like that. That's super pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do, I'm gonna do all the nails except for this one. I'm gonna do I don't quite have enough to do the 2 nails out of that. Sometimes if the images are really big, I can get 2 images or 2 nails done with 1 image. But not for these guys. Oh, that's pretty. And with the light green underneath. Oh. Okay. I'm going to do the thumb, but I'm going to do, I think, one of the birds over top, but in black. So that'll look kind of nice. There we go. Okay. That is so pretty. I like that. Okay. Now, I was thinking I'm going to do this image on my thumb, and I'm just going to do it in black over top. I just thought that would be kind of cool design. Oops. Makes it a little hard because it is on the edge, but hopefully, yep, it picked up pretty well. So there. I'm like, okay, which? So center and place. What do you think? It'd be cute if I filled it in too. We might. I don't know. But I kind of like how it's looking so far. Okay, let me hang on one sec. Okay. And per always, I go in with tape and then kind of do a basic cleanup around my skin. That way I don't have to use acetone so much. And then, so we're going to fill these guys in. So let me get prepared for that and we'll be right back. One sec. Okay, so I have these items. They're not available on her website anymore. These are opaque. So this one's a pearl opaque water paint. This one is a green opaque. I got a matte neon and then a neon pink. they're not available any longer on our website, but I'm going to use them anyway. And I think I shook them up really well. So we're going to color in my design. So I'm just, okay. I put a big blob on my mat. You don't need that much. It's like minute. So I'm just gonna fill in, paint. It works best on matte nails, and I totally forgot to make these matte, so they might not work. Oh, I need some water. 1 sec. Okay, so I'm going to use some pink now. Like I said, you don't need a whole lot. I dispensed way too much. Like, these things last. Like, all her products, they last like crazy. So, yeah, I should have. I don't know if all their legs are pink too, but they're gonna be pink. I just hadn't used these in a while, so I thought, oh, let's, and I really wanted to try her new stamping polish that I received. And I was trying to come up with a design to do. I thought, oh, I'll paint these. I just thought they were cute. So once it dries, you can go in and you can make it a little darker. And then I just rinse off my brush in some water. I've got it there. So now I'm going to do the neon green, I think. I'm going to do a little dot of the neon and a little dot of this one because it's kind of pearly. Oh, crap. Yeah, I just made a big mess. Like a huge mess. It went push. Okay, so we're going to use a pearly one. And we're just going to, got too much on there. So we're just going to color in the leaves. And if you put too much on, you can go back in. I'd rinse off your brush a little bit and then go back in with a little bit of water. And it will water it down. And then it'll take it off for you. So aren't they cute? Oh, I like this. So I'm going to go over the little pelicans a little bit more. I think they're pelicans. But yeah. I always think they're cute. Just going over the little heart so it's pink too. What do you think? I like it. Oh, let's make this guy pink. I don't know where his head is, so. And then I can go in on these leaves. And kind of add. There. Well, that's cute. Okay, one sec. Okay, so I've cleaned up. So now I'm going to go in with my clear matte base top sealer for my stamping. So this will protect this stamping. So it'll go on kind of this milky, and then as it dries, it will turn clear, and then it will protect my stamping. Oh, it was slightly wet there. Got a little bit of smudging because I went over it too many times. Flamingos. Okay. I'm like, did I do that now? So, like anything, don't go over it too many times. And don't touch the brush to the nail. Probably can't quite see it, but anyway. And then once this goes clear, then I will put on my Sally Hansen fast dry top coat. That's my normal top coat. So what do you think? Even that guy looks pretty cute. But I really like this stamping over the green. It just looks very nice. And it was kind of fun to color them in. So this is my birds. And as always, I will have whoever participated this week, I'll have a collage photo, and then of course everybody's individual photos, and I will have their links listed down below. And it's starting to go matte. It looks pretty cool matte, but I think I'm gonna go glossy for this one. I don't know, I haven't decided. So but I like the metallic in the leaves. It looks really pretty. So thanks for hanging out with me. Stay tuned. I will have swatch photos for you. And then, of course, as per always, I will have Daisy and Pippa. Okay, so love you guys. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Daisy. Daisy.
This right here, and all these beams along here are pretty much just floating. It's just resting on the top plate over there.
Got itch?